Hello friends. Today we will learn how to download Red Hat ISO. And for that we can open a browser and new tab. We can write download Red Hat 9. It will come to the site developer redhat.com. There you can click on it. And after clicking on it you need to come down to all the way below. Once you come below you can see there are different flavors of Red Hat. That is Red Hat 10. That is beta version which is in testing. You can download Red Hat 9.5, 9.4, 9.2. Different flavors are there you can download. From there you need to download this DVD ISO which is 10.89 GB. You don't need to download this boot ISO because these are required when system is corrupted. Once you click on them download, it will ask your user ID and passwords. You can simply log in by your Google account or you can create your account. I am not going to teach you how to create account. After that, you will be able to download them. Same way, now we need to download the VMware Workstation. For that, we can write VMware Workstation download. Here are also two ways. One is from this website. If we click on it here, you can see two versions are there. One is for Apple, that is VMware Fusion. One is for Windows, that is VMware Workstation 17. If you click on them to download, what will happen? It will take you to the Qualcomm website. Here, it will ask for user ID passwords because you don't have it. You can simply go there and register yourself and give all the details, and then you can download. I will teach you the simplest method, which is you can go back and you can come to this site, techspot.com. There you can click on the link to download this. Here you can see VMware Workstation Windows 17.6. You can download this version and it will start downloading the version you clicked on. See here, it is started now. Same way, you can download both the images. Thank you.